Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure storage and battery are ready, and update iOS so apps work reliably. Install a manual video app such as FileMyC Pro or ProCam. Those let you control focus, shutter, and ISO, essential for a cinematic look. Once done, pick 24 or 30 frames per second for filmic motion and choose the lens, 1x for context, 2x for tighter, shallower background. Lock exposure and white balance so the camera doesn't hunt while you move. Now execute the complex shot work. Set manual focus with the app's focus wheel and plan focus pulls. Tap to set the start point, then slowly drag to your end point for a rack focus. Position your subject relatively close and separate them from the background to simulate shallow depth of field. Use the 2x lens on iPhone 11 where background compression helps. Make steady moves. Mount on a tripod or gimbal, move slowly, and follow the 1/50 shutter rule. Shutter twice the frame rate for natural motion blur. Finish by exporting the highest quality footage you captured and perform color grading and selective blur on a desktop editor to enhance the cinematic look. If the shallow depth feels weak, use depth effect apps like Focus Live or apply Gaussian blur masks in editing to mimic lens bokeh. If you encounter focus hunting, flicker, or noise, relock AE/AF, reduce ISO, add continuous soft lighting, and retry the same movements. One key troubleshooting tip. If autofocus keeps shifting, switch entirely to manual focus and reframe slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.